Hey everyone, my name is Ari Shah, and today we're going to be talking about something very important, and we're going to be talking about the best exchanges to start with when you're getting involved with cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about where to start, where to go, and where you want to be. And we're going to talk about each exchange and why we believe these are some of the top exchanges. The first exchange we will list and everybody knows about is Coinbase. This is the #1 downloaded app within the Apple Store. So this will be your #1 go-to specifically for US residents. Coinbase offers their services to over 100 different countries. They're based in San Francisco. And as far as Coinbase, you have two options. You have the regular Coinbase and you have Coinbase Pro. Coinbase is for beginner, easy charts to look at, buy, sell, convert, very simple, but you're going to be paying higher fees. Coinbase Pro, you'll have an account right when you sign up, but you will have to transfer the crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. There you can set limit orders and sell orders and look at the more advanced chart and do some more technical analysis. But for most of you who are just getting started, you'll be using Coinbase, and you can connect your bank account right there directly. The second exchange we're going to be talking about, and this exchange has the most volume, and it is a juggernaut, and it has a native token known as BNB. This is the Binance exchange. Binance by far has the most volume and is the most popular exchange and is one of my favorite exchanges to purchase cryptocurrency. When using the BNB native token, you get 25% off on transaction fees. And transaction fees are essentially zero. When I deposit, it's zero from my bank account into Binance. There is a Binance US for US users. For everyone else, you can use Binance.com, or if you like to use a VPN, you can take that route. To each their own. And third, the #3 exchange for you that don't know is Kucoin. Kucoin is an amazing exchange. You want to know why? One, because of their policies and regulation. You don't really need KYC to get started, and they offer a variety of cryptocurrencies that the other two exchanges I listed do not mention. Coinbase has the least, Binance.com has more, but Binance.us has less than Binance.com. And then Kucoin, no KYC, and you get exposed to so many types of cryptocurrencies, such as BPRO, VRA, Dent, so on and so forth. Shiba even got listed on to Kucoin. The fourth exchange we're going to be listing is Kraken. Kraken is also a very strong exchange. It's the only exchange that has never been hacked. That is amazing reputation for Kraken right there. They also offer a variety of coins, and this is a very strong exchange because they have been around. Kucoin has been around, Binance has been around, and Coinbase has been around. Okay, they've been through the bull markets and the bear markets and the bull markets and the bear markets. All right, and they're going to be here for a long time to come. The last exchange I'm going to list is the fastest growing app exchange, and that will be crypto.com. I like crypto.com because one, they have the best domain in the entire game, crypto.com. Two, they have the fastest growing application. Three, they're a top 50 coin with their CRO token. Four, they have 5 different tiers for their debit cards where you can get 8 to 18% cash back on several things, free Spotify, free Netflix, so on and so forth, much better than the average centralized bank will ever offer you. So guys, those are my top 5 exchanges. There are a lot of honorable mentions and a lot of exchanges that are great, you know, a lot of exchanges that you should use and utilize. Gate.io is a great one. You know, there are so many exchanges that are reputable, like Huobi Global. That is another global exchange. These are all great exchanges. soon the Maya exchange and the MEX token that's going to be released. If you guys are excited to claim your MEX, let me know in the comments below and smash that like button. And we have made a video on how to claim your MEX, so definitely check that out. But those are my top 5 exchanges, just because these are the easiest to get started. Coinbase, you can connect easily. Binance, you can also connect easily once you get registered. Kucoin is the easiest and fastest, not to connect your bank account, but to get started. So if you move your fees there, you'll get started immediately. Kraken has never been hacked, and CRO is the fastest app exchange on the market. Guys, let me know what you think of my top 5 picks. Are there any that you think are better? I'm not saying Coinbase is the best. I'm saying that's probably where you start. Binance has the most volume, and Kucoin, when these alts start pumping, Kucoin might be my favorite place to get an exotic cryptocurrency that you might not be able to find somewhere else. And if you want to expand, you go to Kraken. You also go to crypto.com. But yeah, guys, as always, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.
Take me to the moon. I want to go so high. We're going to the sky, yeah.
Safe moon, blowing my mind. Safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
Safe moon, yeah, let's go, bro. It's time to FOMO. Make me cry, baby. I can't wait, I can't wait.
Millie's on the May, Millie's on the way. I can feel it, yeah. I can feel it on the way, yeah. Safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way, safe moon on the way. I get more today.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon.
It's still early right now. Get that moon right now. 4 trillion tokens burnt to the ground right now. Over 600 holders, that's too many to beholders. If you knew what we were going to a million now. 3.5 market cap, going to 10 billion now. 10 billion market cap would be at least a 3x now. 3x your money tomorrow. Binance list is coming, that shit is inevitable.
Safe moon, blowing my mind. Safe moon is going so high. Safe moon, gonna make me cry. Oh yeah, going so high.
Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go to the moon, moon. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go. Hop on my rocket ship, baby, let's go